Hey guys, today I'm going to explain you about ping sweeps, which are angry IP scanner and Softperfect scanner, which is mean net scan, and advanced IP scanner. Okay, so now I will open, of course, command prompt to see my IP address by writing ipconfig, and from my IP, just I will specify the IP range. Here it is, my IP address. Okay, so now I will write here. I just select this range because it will not take too time to load. So here is, I will click start. Once the scanning has been completed, the following screen will be displayed. Okay. Of course, as you can see, it will display host names of current IP. It will display the result showing IP or ping and host names, ports, scans, and moreover. I selected this IP range to be easy to see the IPs near me. As you can see, my IP address. So that's why I selected that range. Red dots are dead host, green is open ports, and blue is a live host. As you can see, scanning completed. Host names, the name used to refer to a computer or network devices, and IP addresses, number used to identify a network devices or computer on network using TCP/IP protocols. There are many options to do or figure with this tools, Angry IP Scanner, which you can see. Okay, here you can add anything you want. Select of a live host, dead host. And here also. Okay, here we are. It displayed scanning completed message, and it show in details which hosts are alive and the total time it takes to scan and so on. So this was explanation on how you can use Angry IP Scanner. Actually, it is a very fast IP address and port scanner. It is very user friendly. You can use it on Mac, Linux, or Windows or XP. It gives you also useful information for network, and give you result from scanner can be used for managing a live host. Moving on to another tool which is similar to Angry IP Scanner, which is NetScan. So same thing, I will put the range and click start. I think it will take a little bit time. Also here many options which you can use it. Let me show you until it is scan. As you can see, first is of course the router IP address, and here the MAC addresses. This program pings computers, scans for listening TCP UDP ports, and display which types of resources are shared on the network, including system and hidden ones also. It's interesting tools actually. Here the MAC address of every IP addresses. It detects hardware MAC addresses even across routers. It is a little bit different from Angry IP Scanner, but actually it is similar to this. So here is are some host name and are not, also shows that with the student ID and some with their PC's name and network names. As you can see that. Many host names with different names, different IPs. This is mine IP address, which end with 217. Yeah, this one. MAC addresses. It is still scanning. Okay, let me show you the options until it scan. As you can see, you can figure it with advanced workstations. So you can see there are many options. You can select and click OK to apply it. Here additional, as you can see, I protect net BIOS to be hidden, to not let others see my device, and it is a must-have proxy, which mean hacker cannot, it will show the hacker other IP addresses, not mine. So here for network admins, where your computer is hooked up the network and nobody can seem to find them in network neighborhood, this program often will use it frequently. Finally, moving to advanced IP scanner, which is I like this tools a lot. Let me put the IP address range. Okay, same steps like previous tools and click start to scan it. Actually, it is a free tools, fast and easy to use network scanner for Windows. In a matter of seconds, this utility finds all the computers on any network and it's provide easy access to their various resources, whatever it was, HTTP or FTP. So we are waiting for the scannings to be complete. Okay, see here down, it shows who is alive, dead, and unknown people. Wow, it's finished. Yeah, it's very fast. Here are the names, which means the names with IP addresses you cannot share anything with them, but the names which having names not IP addresses you can share easily with them. The first IP address is for router. As you can see here, manufacture the MAC addresses. A manufacturer's columns contain informations about the network card manufacturers for each computer located has been added to the scan result table. Okay, as you can see, the manufacturers different name. I think many people using Apple as well. Okay, and this is mine. I can share because I did it to share for with everyone. So it scan your network to get more information about all connected devices, including computers, name and MAC addresses. As you can see. Okay, let's see the options it have. Here you can figure it with HTTP, FTP, and moreover. And here you can scan the fastest speed or low it or slow it. Advanced IP Scanner has a simple user-friendly interface for simple batch operations. It lets you save a list of computers to be scanned in a favorite list. Okay, just I want to give you a technical measure or tips to be secured. I think you must protect yourself or your computer of sharing files, because file sharing can pose several risks. When connected to a file sharing network, you may allow others to copy files you didn't intend to share. You might download a virus of or bit of spyware that makes your computer vulnerable to hackers. So you might also break the law by downloading materials that is copyrighted protected. So that is, I hope you understand and enjoyed watching it, and it was clear for you. Thank you.